Cleaning Alloy Splashbacks is incredibly simple. All you need is a non-abrasive cloth or sponge, a non-abrasive kitchen spray, and some clean water. For a fresh mess, grab a non-abrasive kitchen cleaner, spray and simply wipe clean using a non-abrasive cloth or sponge. But don't just take my word for it, just look at how easy it is. It's your choice whether you spray the splashback or spray the sponge. In this video, we've opted to spray the sponge first. For more stubborn stains that have potentially dried in, as you see here, it's the same process. Spray and wipe clean. Ensure after the cleaning process the panel has all cleaning residue removed. Use a clean cloth and clean water to wipe away any residue to leave your splashback sparkling clean.